Hi everyone! Today I'm going to open the ELSA of Arendelle Magiclip doll. In my last video I opened Anna, and you can click on the link above to watch that video. Elsa's wearing a gold crown, and her braid is all pulled up into a bun in the back, and her purple cape has a pretty design on the back, and the cape is removable. Her dress is black at the top with some gold trim, and the purple design matches the cape. The rest of the dress is kind of a greenish teal color, very pretty. Also comes with this mirror, which is also could be a room divider or a place to get dressed behind. It's a pretty design on it. And she comes with a gold scepter that matches her crown. The set also includes a ring for you. It has snowflakes and there's some glitter in there. Now let's see what the new Elsa looks like in the other Elsa's dresses. The new Elsa is wearing a blue swimsuit, and her gold shoes match her crown. This is my other Elsa. Her crown and her swimsuit and her shoes all match. So let's put her in the new dress. And put the new Elsa in the other dress. Now we'll put the new Elsa in the other Elsa dress. We'll give her a little privacy this time behind the screen here. And here she is in the other dress. Now I've changed them back into their original dresses. Which one's your favorite? I think I like the new one the best, but then, you know, for some casual princess wear, I kind of like this one. Now I've just set everything up in Anna's flip and switch castle. In case you have that, you can see what everything looks like all set up. We've got her cape hanging on the little room divider, and I put her scepter on the shelf, and we hung up her extra dress. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, and don't forget to subscribe. Please click on the middle of the screen at the end to watch another Frozen video. Thanks for watching!